Imagine waking up one morning and AI can do everything: your job, your hobbies, even making life decisions for you. No bosses, no employees, no need for humans to work. So, what's left for us? Is AI leading us into a future of endless leisure or complete irrelevance? AI is already replacing jobs: writers, coders, graphic designers, even lawyers. And it's just getting started. Soon, doctors, scientists, and even CEOs might be next. But what happens when AI does everything better, faster, and cheaper than humans? What will be left for us? Let's go further. Imagine an AI-powered world where humans don't need to work at all. At first, it sounds great. No work, no stress. But then, what happens to purpose? What happens when there's nothing left for us to create, struggle for, or achieve? Will we still have motivation, or will AI make us obsolete? So what's next? If AI can do everything, what's left for humans? Here are three wild possibilities. Option 1, AI-enhanced superhumans. Some believe we'll merge with AI, enhancing our brains with chips, becoming cyborgs to stay relevant. Option 2, a world of artists and philosophers. Maybe humans will focus on things AI can't truly feel, like deep emotions, creativity, and philosophy. Instead of working, we become artists, thinkers, and dreamers. Option 3, the ultimate leisure society, or a collapse. If AI handles everything, we might live in a world of permanent relaxation. But history warns us: societies that stop progressing often collapse. Will AI build a utopia or lead to our downfall? This AI revolution is coming faster than we ever imagined. The question is, will we adapt, evolve, or fade away? Do you think humans will always have a place in the future, or will AI make us useless? Comment yes if you think humans will always matter, or no if you think AI will replace us. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI predictions. The future is coming. Are you ready? Imagine waking